shifting focus to some more breaking developments taking place from Jabalpur that we are getting these visuals from, and this is what is being called as the Desi Bofors, adding to the military might of the country. This is the homemade Dhanush howitzer that is being inducted in the Indian Army. There we're showing the green flag over there. This is the much awaited Dhanush 155/45 caliber towed gun system that is also known as the Desi Bofors. Now, how exactly will it enhance the Army's firepower? Where Abhishek, my colleague, our executive editor, will also throw more light on this entire, how this system is going to be inducted. Now, Abhishek, we're looking at those visuals. They're coming in from Jabalpur. But what exactly is the significance of Dhanush?
Well, the significance obviously is indigenization and make in India so far as defense sector is concerned. Amita, this is an important milestone after Tejas and the ALH that was developed in India, and it perhaps might not be very right to call it just Desi Bofors. Of course, it's a variant, but it involves a lot of improvisations in terms of its firepower, in its reach, in its shoot and scoot capability. So in that sense, you would say that it's an important development for indigenization of defense sector in India. And also what is important is it was almost like 2 decades in the making. So in that sense, completion of a project which was struggling, that also should be seen as a change from the past when projects would linger on for long. At least a sense of completion is coming with this induction of Dhanush in Indian Army today.
All right, so Dhanush has been designed and developed by the Ordnance Factory Board at the gun carriage factory in Jabalpur, based on the Bofors drawings, and that is exactly where we are getting the visuals from the induction of the Dhanush artillery gun that has been done in the Indian Army. For the moment, Abhishek, thank you very much. Moving on to some more news.